Let's make this creamy curry coconut shrimp pasta rich, flavorful, and ready in no time. First, drizzle a little olive oil into your pan and let it warm up. Sprinkle in your curry powder and let it toast. This is where the flavor starts waking up. Now, drop in your garlic. Let it sizzle, then add your pimento for that real Caribbean aroma. Season the base with some all-purpose seasoning. Then it is time for the star, your shrimp. Let those cook until they turn pink and juicy. Now, pour in that silky coconut milk. Stir everything together and let the sauce get nice and creamy. Once it starts bubbling, add your cooked pasta, tossing it so every strand gets coated in that curry coconut goodness. Finish it off with a shower of Parmesan cheese. And just like that, dinner is served, creamy, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible.